Hello everyone, we will discuss an app that I am building. It's a decentralized education system app. It's about a year that I am conceptualizing the app. I was searching for a platform on which it will be built. Ethereum is slow and transaction costs are too expensive. Ethereum 2, which will be scalable but is not released yet. After some research, I found Near protocol that fits my need. It's developer friendly, uses Rust language that helps to write reliable code with great community support. Okay, now let's talk about the project. Abrit is a decentralized education system to be built on the top of the blockchain that evaluates evidence of learning and quality of curriculum. Provides collaboration platform for teachers, students, researchers, and rentable educational resource providers like rooms, books, educational kits. It relies on Graham theoretic incentive system where participants earn for the quality contribution they make to the platform. The education system is autonomous without any middleman. Students and teachers and other service providers interact directly without the need of any administrator in between. It's also an uncensored platform, means where students and teacher voices are never suppressed by any administrator. So, our education system is broken. Education is a process of acquiring knowledge, developing reasoning skills for making good judgments, and acquisition of necessary skills, values, beliefs, and habits. The current education system faces serious problems of quality, resource crunch, and educational malpractices, which includes obsolete teaching, substandard centralized curriculum and learning material, high-stake standardized exams that limit exploration and original thinking, mass cheating in exams and projects, appalling teacher and student ratio, poor classroom infrastructure, and non-availability of classrooms and specialized courses nearby students' residence. You can find the white paper here in the following link. So this is how user interface will look like. Everything is a product here. Product can be courses or curriculum. Product can be a room where teacher and student will meet and teacher will take the class, or product can be a book or educational kit, or it can be evidence of learning that student uploaded. Each product is linked to a teacher, a student, or room rent provider, etc. Here all products are connected. For example, a student correct location is somewhere in the small town of Africa or India, or somewhere in the city of Canada, US. Now he or she can search the app and find all the teachers within a distance of 10 km, for example. So similarly, the student can search the room near where teacher can meet and they can study. The student can also view the prices and pick the high quality curriculum with the best prices. Remember, all products, whether it's curriculum or evidence or learning of students, whether it's curriculum or evidence of learning of students, all undergo the quality check whether it meets the criteria of evaluation. So it will help students to find the best teachers and curriculum based on feedback provided by experts. The evaluation will be done using Ceiling Coin game, where authentic reviews are generated by lots of experts. So what are the criteria for evaluation of products? Products like curriculum and evidence of learning of students have to meet the evidence-based effective learning strategies. For example, evaluator can check whether the teacher has converted abstract concept to concrete representation so that it's easier for students to understand, whether the curriculum is up to date and recent and built with recent technology, whether the question quality is good enough, whether students have done enough retrial practice so that the knowledge sticks to the memory, whether a project is submitted by students is plagiarized. These are the attributes where experts will evaluate. Other attributes can be found in the white paper. So what are the usefulness of the model? First, it's easy prediction. Participants can easily know the quality due to the review system. Students and parents can select the best teacher and curriculum. Teachers can get the best quality room at competitive prices for teaching. Then equal chance to everyone. Everyone will get an equal chance to succeed, as the curriculum is evidence based and all students will learn and get the best result. Students can try and retry until they achieve their goals. Continuous improvement. As it's a collaborative platform where teachers learn from other teachers and improve their strategies, students learn from other students and teachers, so there is continuous improvement of teachers and students. No burnout. Okay, teachers will not get burnout due to efficient division of labor. It's also non-hierarchical and autonomous. Teachers are autonomous and are not in control of the administrator. Best price discovery for teachers without the middleman to take their cuts. And there are a lot more that will be done, like incentive system of teacher training. I have not done the user interface yet. Currently I am developing the smart contracts needed and also converting the Claros implementation to Rust language. You can find the source code in the URL. It will take some time to complete the development so that the app is usable. Thank you for listening.